I think you'll get a lot out of this.
That'd be my biggest expense. At that point, we have a fresh house.
And this is learning how to be an investor / realtor. I mean, I got nothing else. That's the play. When I'm gonna renovate this house and I'm gonna be done with it, what's the biggest detractor for me getting the price that I'm looking to get? Hit it. Let's look at the driveway. Driveway, what do we do? I can't widen it.
I would remove this whole entire section out, push it inwards, yeah.
You could then platform the stairs to go that way and down, and then you would solve your problem. You'd have one car parking here, and you could street park. That's your best, most efficient way. Whenever you're gonna buy a house on a main road, close to a disturbance, close to a nuisance property, you can only do it when there's limited supply. And we can pay a little more and we can take a little bit more of a risk. Price is always gonna have a what? Discount on the back end due to those factors. What's the biggest objection you get with a seller?
Where am I gonna go?
Right, you all said it. I'm gonna come back to you with this. With more supply, you're not gonna sell it. So the most you'll ever get for this property and the best opportunity and chance you'll ever get is right now. How much would it be if you did a full reno here?
We could probably hit around 100, 110. The roof was fine. I think we need vinyl, overlay the whole house, new bathroom, new kitchen, obviously new woodwork and new flooring. That helps cut the budget quite a bit and still produce a really nice product at the end.
So if we did the 85 to 100 and we made 25, why wouldn't we just spend 30 or just clean it, put it back on the market and make the same 25? And if it sells anywhere between 205 and 225, take fees and everything out of there, you probably make about 20, 25K. I always say I don't want to do everything. I want to give myself something that's going to save me a little money, so if it comes up on an inspection, I can either negotiate it into the deal or I get away, I don't have to do it. So as long as it's not leaking, as long as I'm not lying, I might try to get away with it to see how much interest I have if I can get a buyer that's going to waive inspection. You've got to know your buyer and you've got to understand what type of market we're in. But what's it worth on the back end? Manny's 350 I think is the high end. I think 325 is probably right on. We're in a market now where it's tight supply, obviously tight inventory even on the flip stuff, but this is all good training for you to understand.